Every major commerce platform is quietly rebuilding its infrastructure for a world where AI agents, not humans, initiate the majority of product discovery. Salesforce data from Cyber Week 2025 showed AI agents influenced $67 billion in global orders. 20% of all transactions. That number will look modest within 2 years. The protocols governing this shift already exist. Most businesses have not heard of them yet. 3 protocols define how agentic commerce works. UCP governs discovery, ACP governs checkout, AP2 governs payment authorization. Together, they form the complete infrastructure stack. If your business does not implement them, AI agents will not know you exist, not because of a ranking algorithm, because there's literally no protocol level mechanism for them to find you. Let me start with UCP. The Universal Commerce Protocol, published by Google, defines how AI agents discover what a business sells, what it costs, or ships, and what constraints apply. Think of UCP as the language your website speaks to AI shopping agents. Traditional commerce relies on product pages designed for human eyes, images, descriptions, reviews, call to action buttons. AI agents do not process any of that. They need structured, machine-readable data served through standardized endpoints. UCP provides exactly this, a manifest file that declares your capabilities, your catalog, and your terms in a format any agent can parse in milliseconds. The UCP manifest lives at a well-known URL on your domain. It declares what products and services you offer, how agents can query your catalog, and which transport protocols you support, REST, MCP, or A2A. Without this manifest, an AI shopping agent visiting your domain finds nothing actionable. It moves on to a competitor that has one. This is not a ranking penalty. It is an existence problem. In the agentic era, discoverability is binary. You either have a UCP manifest or you do not exist to agent-driven commerce. Now ACP, the Agentic Commerce Protocol. If UCP is how agents find you, ACP is how they buy from you. Published by OpenAI, ACP governs the conversational checkout flow, the sequence of interactions between an AI agent and a merchant systems that turn product discovery into a completed transaction. Here's why ACP matters. Traditional checkout was designed for humans filling out forms, name, address, payment, confirm. AI agents do not fill out forms. They negotiate. An agent operating under ACP can compare prices across merchants, apply user preferences for delivery speed versus cost, handle promotions and discounts, and confirm payment terms, all within a single automated conversation that takes seconds. The businesses that implement ACP will see conversion rates from AI-driven traffic that make their human checkout flows look primitive by comparison. The businesses that do not implement ACP will watch AI agents bounce, not because the product was wrong, but because the checkout infrastructure could not speak the agent's language. The third protocol is AP2, the Agent Payments Protocol. Discovery is solved by UCP, checkout is solved by ACP, but neither matters without trust. How does a merchant know that an AI agent is authorized to spend money on behalf of a user? How does a user know that their agent will not exceed their budget? AP2 answers these questions through cryptographic mandates, signed, verifiable authorizations that define exactly what an agent is permitted to do financially. 2 types of mandates govern AP2 transactions. Intent mandates set boundaries, browse, and negotiate, but spend no more than a certain amount. Cart mandates finalize specific purchases, buy this item at this price from this merchant. The critical insight is this: without AP2, there is no agentic commerce. Discovery and checkout are useful only when the agent can actually complete a transaction with cryptographic certainty. AP2 is what makes the entire stack trustworthy. Now here's where it gets interesting. UCP, ACP, and AP2 are independent protocols. Each solves a distinct problem, but their power comes from how they interoperate. Consider a real transaction flow. A user tells their AI agent to find the best price on a product with 2-day shipping. The agent uses UCP to query merchants. It narrows the list in milliseconds. The agent then uses ACP to initiate checkout conversations with the top 3 merchants simultaneously. The agent selects the best offer. Finally, AP2 authorizes payment through a signed mandate. Total time, seconds. Total human intervention, 0. Gartner projects organic search traffic will decline 50% by 2028. Meanwhile, Perplexity processes over 1.2 billion monthly queries. ChatGPT has 800 million weekly active users. Google AI Mode is rolling out agent-driven shopping across its entire ecosystem. Every one of these systems uses protocol-based discovery, not traditional web crawling, to find merchants. The businesses that implement these protocols now will be discoverable by these systems as they scale. The businesses that wait will not. There is no retroactive discoverability in agentic commerce. You are either in the agent's index or you are not. The infrastructure for agentic commerce is being built right now. The protocols are defined, the standards are published. The only variable is which businesses adopt them first and which ones spend the next 3 years wondering why their traffic disappeared. This is Adam Silva Consulting.